What if I told you Google just dropped a free AI? No subscription, no cloud, no API costs. It runs directly on your phone, and it just beat models 20 times bigger than itself. This is Gemma 4, Google's most powerful open model ever built, and it fits in your pocket, not on a server, not in a data center, right on your device. In this video, I will break down every insane thing this model can do. Stay till the end because the last slide will genuinely shock you. Every AI you use today has a dirty secret. Every message you send goes to a cloud server. That means high latency, privacy risks, and you pay per token. Gemma 4 destroys all three problems at once. Zero latency, absolute privacy, and it is completely free and open source. This is not a small upgrade. This is a completely different category of AI. 400 million. That is how many times the Gemma model family has been downloaded. Not users. Downloads. That number is bigger than the population of the United States. Developers around the world are already building with this, and Gemma 4 is about to make that number go even higher. Here is where things get crazy. Gemma 4 at 31 billion parameters is ranked number 3 open model in the entire world. It beat cloud models with over 100 billion parameters on the Arena AI text leaderboard. A small open model just punched out giants 20 times its own size. Let that sink in for a second. Okay, now let us go deep. Here are the technical secrets that make Gemma 4 this powerful. Gemma 4 uses a mixture of experts architecture. It has 26 billion total parameters. But here is the genius part. It only activates 3.8 billion of them per token. Think of it like a hospital. You do not wake up every doctor for a headache. You call the right specialist. Massive knowledge, minimal compute, frontier level reasoning at edge speeds. Gemma 4 E2B uses something called per layer embeddings. Each decoder layer gets its own small embedding lookup. The result? 5.1 billion capability packed into just a 2.3 billion effective footprint. This is like fitting a mansion inside an apartment. Same power, way less space. 256,000 tokens of context. Do you know how big that is? You could paste your entire code base into a single prompt, or feed it ball by ball data from a full IPL season and ask it to analyze everything in one shot. No chunking, no RAG workarounds, just one massive, insane context window. Gemma 4 is 5.5 times faster on ARM chips using ARM v9 SME2 instructions. And Android developers do not need to change a single line of code to get this speed boost. It just works. If you have ever built an Android app, this is massive. AI that runs at native chip speed with zero refactoring. This slide is for every developer worried about user privacy. With Gemma 4 plus ARM SME, 2.0 data leaves the device, your prompts stay on your phone, your outputs stay on your phone. The entire loop, prompt, reasoning, action happens locally. Absolute privacy, lower latency, zero cloud infrastructure costs. Alright, enough theory. Let me show you what this actually unlocks in the real world. Gemma 4 supports native function calling directly on device. Think of it like UPI for AI. You give it a natural language command, it converts it into a structured API trigger, JSON output. No server round trip, instant. Reliable, local. This means you can build apps where your phone understands what you want and executes it without any cloud dependency. After fine-tuning, Gemma 4 hits 85% accuracy on complex mobile OS commands. Things like setting calendar events, toggling device settings, sending messages. 85%. On tasks that even humans misunderstand sometimes. This is the foundation of the AI phone assistant the world has been waiting for. Gemma 4 processes text, images, and native audio all on device. The slide calls it a multimodal dark store. Developers, this one is for you. You can now build fully offline RAG pipelines using Gemma 4 with LlamaIndex or Ollama orchestrated via LangGraph. Feed it your own PDF data. Build deeply contextual apps, entirely disconnected from the internet. Fully private, fully local, this is the new gold standard for enterprise AI. This might be the most mind-blowing use case in the entire video. MedGemma runs on device and generates X-ray reports with 81% accuracy compared to board-certified radiologists on your phone. Completely air-gapped, HIPAA-compliant, no patient data ever leaves the device. This could literally save lives in areas with no hospital access. You now know what Gemma 4 can do, so here is how you use it. Pick your model based on your hardware. E2E and E4B are for mobile and IoT devices. They support audio, vision, and text. The 26B mixture of experts model is for laptops and fast inference with vision and text. And the 31B dense model is for workstations and fine-tuning. No matter what you are building, there is a Gemma 4 that fits everything I just described. Free. Open weights. Apache 2.0 license. No commercial restrictions. You can build a product, ship it, and make money. Google is not taking a cut. You have complete digital sovereignty. Build freely, deploy securely. This is not a trial. This is the full thing. The AI is already in your pocket. Are you using it? Gemma 4 is free, it is open, it runs locally, and it just beat models 20 times its size. The only question is, what are you going to build with it? Drop your idea in the comments right now. And if this video helped you, smash the like button and subscribe to @gagantechai for more videos like this. I am Gagan, and this is the future of AI running right in your hand. See you in the next one.